Representative Dadakiram Ismula says that there must also be some focus on the party list system, which does not completely restrict family members from holding a national position and a local position simultaneously.
We have the party list congressmen na kasama din dito sa body na ito. So, I disagree on that part dahil yes, nag-file din po kami sa Akbayan Reform Block patungkol sa pag-amenda or pagbabago ng party list reform. It's just that kung ang anti-political dynasty bill natin ay kagaya ng House version na ito, of course, magmamatter ito doon sa party list reform.
As for Caloocan 2nd District Representative Edgar Erice, the Senate version seems much better than of the lower chambers. He noted that the bill will still undergo the bicameral level, which the upper chamber could potentially block.
Palagay ko naman hindi makakapasa ito sa Senado dahil napakalayo ng version ng Senado. Sa Senado, one national, one local per family lang ang i-allow. Dito kahit 10, kahit 15 pwede.
On Thursday morning, May 28, various individuals led by the Partido Lakas ng Masa also staged a mini protest outside the House of Representatives. They call for a much stronger provision for political dynasties, including lesser opportunities for families in the local level. At the same time, they are aiming to push for a people's initiative as an alternative if the bill comes out accepted by both chambers of the country.
Pero ang talagang ultimately na gagawin namin, nagbubuo kami meron ng grupong itinayo para magtulak ng People's Initiative Dynasty at People's Initiative Bill, yung signature bill. May kasama mga pare, may kasama former military generals, kasama yung mass movement, kasama yung isang bishop.
The House is expected to tackle the final reading of the bill next week before plenary sessions suspend. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are one.